Hey, what's going on? Daniel here. So the goal of this video is to lay down the 5-step process to building an income online and growing it from 0 to 10K per month, 20K per month and beyond. And I'm going to do that as fast as possible so I don't waste your time. Now, there's a popular saying that if you're not making enough money, then you're probably not solving enough problems. And that is the core idea, the core premise behind this video is to solve more problems for other people, which leads me to my first point. Now, the first step is to identify a problem that you're currently being faced with. This could be a personal problem, it could be a problem that you see other people having, but the core idea is to find something that you can provide a solution to. Now, a lot of people don't know that I have a second channel, and on that channel, when I first started growing it, I was able to grow from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in about a month. And that was because I had a problem at the time, and which was, how do I crack the code of Facebook Marketplace dropshipping? And I was able to find a solution to most of the problems that I was facing at the time, like how to find products, how to list products, how to get your first sale, how to add tracking number, how to fulfill orders, and so on and so forth. And by solving those problems for myself, I began making short videos between 5 and 10 minutes and posting that on that YouTube channel. And within a short period of time, people started finding my videos, and I was able to grow that channel exponentially. And in less than 2 months, I was able to monetize this channel. And in the first month of monetization, I made over $1,000 from YouTube AdSense, even with less than 20,000 views on the channel. And that proved how important and how valuable the content I was sharing was at the time. So like I said, the first step is to identify a problem that you are faced with personally or that you see other people having. Now, the next step is to solve that problem for yourself. Like I said in my YouTube video example, what I was doing with the problem that I identified was I was providing solutions. I was finding solutions to those problems that I was having and to the similar problems that other people were having at the time. So by providing solutions to my own problems, I was able to share my journey on YouTube. I was able to share my solutions with other people. And honestly, people can see if you're being fake or if you're being real. If your solutions work for you, then it probably will work for other people. And you don't even need to talk about your solutions. Other people are going to talk about it if it works for them. So if you looked at the comments in my video at the time, a lot of people were saying so many good things about the things I was sharing because I was sharing those solutions in a very straightforward way. And I didn't speak any technical language. I just went straight to the point, and people found a lot of value in it. So you want to make sure that once you find the solutions, you want to present it in a way that a lot of people can relate with in a very simple manner that people can digest pretty easily. Now, it's not going to make any sense if you are providing this information to other people. The sole purpose of putting information online or by providing the solution to other people is to generate some type of income from it. Unless if you want to do this as a charity, but I don't think that is your goal for watching this video. So the next step is to create a product around the solution that you're providing to other people. So from the same example that I provided to you, once I started seeing that people were interested in the things that I was sharing on YouTube at the time, I started offering different types of products, and these were all digital products to further aid people because I don't want to keep showing up every day. So the first thing I did was to connect people with the products that I was using through affiliate marketing. So at the time, I used certain products to list my products, to do product research, and to do some little things within the business at the time. And people were asking me, hey, how are you doing this? What products are you using? Then I would simply say, go into the link in the description and click on there, and you will be taken to the product I'm using to fulfill my orders, the product I'm using to do market research, and so on and so forth. So when people use that product, I get a certain percentage, anywhere from 30 to 60% of the products that I was sharing at the time. And that was just one way. Now, the second way was to create a program that helped other people to solve that problem. Although I didn't create anything like a course, but I had like a group where I taught people in group trainings on how to dropship on Facebook and how to do product research and how to do all sort of things. And also the third thing I did was to create like a one-on-one mentorship where I would jump on calls with people and I charged them by the hour. I charge anywhere from $50 to $150 for every hour that I was online with people. So those are the things that you can do. But the best way that I've seen that people do this is to create a kind of a group mentorship or a group coaching program or a course, in fact, where you can just do the work one time and you can sell it to people over and over again. Now, a good example of this is a client that I worked with a couple of months back, Dr. Karen Leitner. Now, Dr. Karen Leitner is a medical doctor. She has her own medical practice, but she realized that she was having problems balancing her career with a personal life. So she created a program for female medical doctors by solving her own problems first. She was able to find a balance between a medical practice and a private life. And within 1 month of the first launch, we were able to do $140,000 selling this program to other people. So you can tell it's the same idea, finding a problem, solving that problem, and creating a product with that problem. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to market yourself. Of course, it will be great if people can just find you automatically, but that is not going to happen. For so many business owners who have been able to grow the business exponentially online, the key to doing that is by marketing themselves. You can either do it through organic means or through paid means. Organic marketing is by making the sort of videos that I'm doing right now, creating content and giving value to other people. Of course, organically, people are going to find you, and YouTube is a great way to do it because it's an evergreen way of driving traffic to whatever you're trying to promote. But if you want to do it in a sustainable way, in a predictable way, you can do that by running ads online, which is what I do. I run ads for online business owners, course creators, and just about anyone who has any sort of business online. So you can do that and grow your business exponentially. Like the example that I gave earlier, Dr. Karen Lightner was able to do $140,000 in just 1 month. Of course, you can do that with organic marketing, but that's something that's going to take you so long. You have to, keep making content and showing up every single day. And I don't think that's very sustainable enough. So these are the ways through which anyone, including yourself, can take yourself from making $0 a month to making $140,000 a month like Dr. Karen Lightner. So this video has been helpful. Consider subscribing. If you have any questions at all whatsoever regarding the subject I'm talking about, you can leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to answer them. Now check out the links in the description if you are looking for a way to grow your business online. I'm opening up a private group in the future, and if you want to be the first to hear about it, go sign up below and I will send you more information when it opens. Again, my name is Daniel and I will see you in the next video.